beautiful morning here in Jamaica. Montego Bay, honey. Good morning. Wherever you're watching this, I don't know what time you're watching this, but it is morning for me. So good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. It's probably about, I say maybe 7 in the morning. And it is raining cats and dogs. Raining cats and dogs, honey. Sun a shine, rain a fall. Look. Yes, honey. That's how you wake up to sunshine, blue sky, and rain. See? It's raining like crazy out there. Anyway, go there. But let's say, I'm not afraid. Get some souvenirs and stuff today. Daughter said hi to the vlog. At the door. Say hi to the vlog. Thank you, baby.
I didn't have time to look at the door.
Huh? That's so sweet.
If I start with what was my...
That's alright. Oh, this is so nice. Merry Christmas and safe flight. Look at that. Kimmie made for me. Come on the vlog, Kimmie. I'm giving you a hug with the vlogs here. You see? That's what I get. That's so nice.
It's like...
That's so nice. Yeah, that's beautiful. Thank you, Kimmie. Yes, people say, wake up to beautiful sun, wake up to rain, and wake up to a beautiful gift from Kimmie. But yes, people. I'm gonna get some souvenirs today. It's raining, so I'm gonna have to wait till the rain done fall a little bit. And on top of that, I definitely could have carried my June plum them with the seeds in. But I already take care of that situation they do. I cut off the meat part and left this and that's for the seed. Because they don't want you to travel with the seeds. But apart from that, people, I gain a lot of weight. I gain a lot of weight. I feel fat. I feel chubby. And I'm not eating what I'm not supposed to be eating. But I think I did. I not think. I put on some weight. I get chubby. A little chubby. But once I get back, I'm going to definitely head to the gym. Maybe about 2 days or so after I get back. Head to the gym. Right back into the gym today. Yeah. We're not going yet. I'm sure I'm going to run some errands today. Again, people don't expect me to go to Downsiver Fall and all of them out of Fall because I'm trying to stay away from a lot of crowded places. So, as much as I would love to go to Downsiver Fall and some other little spots, I try to keep the circle very small because COVID is rampant here. And I'm not trying to get stuck cannot return. I don't want to go to the hospital is to deal with COVID because it wouldn't be a pretty outcome. So I'm just staying home and trying to find things to do around me. You know what I'm saying? Safety. Try to remain COVID free. You know what I'm saying? So, both of another story about certain things still. Little things when we get home also, or I'm near to leave, we will do that. But for right now, I'm gonna fix my ear. I haven't done anything with my hair since I've been here. I just hold it back so because I don't want to look all too fancy and I walk around with lashes and makeup and earrings and you know. So I just been keeping it very, very simple. Very simple and blending with everybody because And even though you keep it simple, very simple, you still get stares, you still get looks, you know what I'm saying? You know, still no. So, yeah. I'm still no. But yeah. That's my hair. Love my hair, but like I said, I have not worn it out since I've been down here. We just hold it back. Just hold everything in a one. I guess that is it for now, y'all. We'll come back on again. Once I'm on the road, I'm gonna get some souvenirs and stuff. And then come right back in because I'm not trying to hang out on the streets. Because not everybody wear masks here. Just like in the US, not everybody wear masks, you know what I'm saying? But they do take the precautions when they go into their stores and stuff. They really do. Otherwise, some that's welcome to the vlogs. Welcome to Montego Bay. Please like, share, subscribe. Yeah. Them three things there. Yeah, notification too. And more vlogs are coming. I'll see you in a few, alright? So my crossroad from blind spot.
Travel from other country to other country.
Yeah, so the problem is the people them don't want to take the precautions and wear them masks, you know. Everybody want to just walk around, yeah. And that don't work, not gonna work. Now go, you know, and some people still don't want.
The disease first broke out in China. Never
Yeah.
have no sort of
Nobody never know. Because me all watch a video and I see people are drop down and going, and I say, what is?
China.
Yeah, when COVID just come out all over the world and other people are walk on the road and I drop down me.
They want to control you now still.
Everybody at the funeral must have have that.
England first one woman come down from with it.
How did they are England enough, do you know?
But the people that are India and China like a fly.
Chinese them have it bad.
Chinese them control it, man.
Them control it over there now, yeah.
Control it. China rock, you know, it's one place will be like a, they stick like a paradise, you know. They lock down the whole paradise.
Yeah.
And screen everybody.
Yeah man, them have it on lockdown now.
They don't say you can get the control. But you have people and you have here so and you get in run Ghana fall much with it.
Oh my god.
Then the club and they get a sentence there. Then you end up right at St. Catherine to Lena Kingston. So then do.
I say it's spread.
Then the people them don't have the first time when they test them and find out.
Oh, you mean the one Moby?
Yes, some men don't have really come from over St. Catherine.
Oh my god.
When they find out, they quarantine them.
And the whole time I said, please make it go to Jamaica because you can't angle it.
You must come here. One Sunday the man make the place run out of oxygen. People dead like a fly and you know you hear nothing about it. You make up nails and they go on so far.
Yes, sir. I said I could just do it earlier because I don't want to stuck in a traffic.
Alright. People have to pick up their loved one and pick them away.
Yeah, man, there's something spread like wildfire, boy. Jeez.
Well, I want them plan for the whole world know about it, you know.
Yeah.
I plan to kill off some people because they say too much people in the world.
That's something I feel so.
And then you get to from them.
They get out of control.
Get out of control, yeah.
Oh, the way they don't go, the way.
Bill Gates and the whole of them.
Oh, yeah, go the way to the left.